Today we'll be having a quick review of the Smart Noter AI if it is really a study power or a subscription trap. So, welcome to Tutorials by David, and let's go. So let's talk about the Smart Noter AI, which is an AI-powered note-taking app that transcribes, summarizes, and organizes voice and text notes, helping students and professionals capture insights from lecture and meetings with real-time speech-to-text and AI summaries. Of course, many users praise its accuracy and productivity boost, but the free tier is limited and premium features can came behind a subscription that some find expensive and tricky to cancel. So reliability and subscription transparency vary across platforms. So while it can be a study superpower for heavy note takers, cost and trust concerns make it feel like a potential subscription trap for casual users.